This Vitaclean shower head has changed the look of my skin and my hair in under 2 weeks. Hey y'all, it's your girl Boulevard Fox, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where you can find fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. If you are an OG, just welcome back. Today I'm introducing you guys to a game changer. My skin is not the same, my hair is not the same, my overall shower experience has elevated since I got this Vitaclean Vitamin C shower head. This Vitaclean shower head has changed the look of my skin and my hair in under 2 weeks. If you struggle with hard water drying out your hair and skin, this will change the game for you too. Adding this vitamin C shower head to my beauty routine has made a tremendous difference in the look of my skin and my hair. My skin is super shiny, even right out of the shower. I can tell the difference before I even put my moisturizer on. And my hair is more bouncy and shiny as well. I feel like while using this shower head, the water just penetrates into the shafts of my hair so much easier than using the typical shower head and having that hard water take forever to penetrate and moisturize my strands. My Vitaclean wall-mounted shower head is not your typical shower head. It has an insert that filters out hard water using vitamin C and essential oils to create an amazing spa-like experience. It typically takes me 20 to 30 minutes to shower. With this new shower head, it's been more like 45 minutes to an hour. There's so many little nasties in your hard water that I didn't even know about before getting Vitaclean, and I am never going back. It has a triple filtration system. There's a cloth filter that traps the nasty particles from the pipes that leak into the water as it's coming out of your shower head. That's just gross even to think about. And then Vitaclean also uses vitamin C to neutralize the chlorine that's in the water and essential oils that keeps the skin glowing and the hair glowing. And that's all I needed to know for me to jump on the Vitaclean bandwagon. So installing my Vitaclean was super simple. I just got a wrench, loosened up my old shower head, and screwed this one right on. It fit like a glove. I had to insert my glow getter. Fits right in there. And I can show you all the filters. So your typical shower head, the water pressure on here is amazing. Cloth filter that I mentioned earlier, and through a third filter, these beads. So I'm gonna put it back together. It was super simple to install, even with my nails. No handyman needed. My favorite thing about the Vitaclean Vitamin C filtered shower head is the mood it puts me in after work. I come home, hop in the shower, and I feel like I can just de-stress. A good shower can change your day. But this shower head is on another level. It's just on another level. There's nothing I can compare it to. No candles needed, no outside aromatherapy needed, no. The shower head itself gives a aroma therapy vibe and just de-stresses from head to toe. Vitaclean offers a wide variety of scents for your vitamin C filter, from lavender, lemon and mango, jasmine, rose, coconut, and vanilla. A whole bunch of yummy flavors. Scents, don't eat it, but they smell like they taste good too. They also have a crystal filter, a shungite crystal filter. I definitely want to try that one next. And each of the filter refills lasts for about 3 months. So I know you're jealous by now. You want your own Vitaclean Vitamin C filtered shower head, and you should get one. Follow the link in my description and get your very own shower head. It comes in 2 standard connections. One that attaches directly to the shower head like mine, or if you got that fancy handheld shower wand thing, it got that too. Check my description for the link to this amazing shower head and use my code FOX10 to get 10% off. And stop bathing in that dirty water. You don't drink it while you showering in it. Thanks for watching.